In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your PSN password on your PS5 if you have forgotten it. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just have some down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's two methods to do this. The first method is if you obviously know your current password and just want to change it, you could just go up to settings up in the top right, select the little gear icon, go to users and accounts, open this up, and then in account, go ahead and go to security once it does load. And once you're in security, you're going to see an option that says password. Essentially, go ahead and select that, and you'll be able to enter in your current password, change your password, and then confirm that change just like so. Now, the second method is if you completely forgot your password. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller and go to your profile down towards the very bottom, select it, and then hit switch user. And what you're going to want to do is go to, a user that's not signed in, or add a user, and then from here attempt to sign in. Go to settings, users and accounts, choose sign in, enter in the PSN email address, and then of course enter in an incorrect password, and you get a prompt to reset your password, and you can reset it through your email, on a phone, PC, or any device with access. Just follow the instructions to create that new password, and once you're done, you're good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.